Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe that my whole family cannot get enough of. This broccoli cheddar spaghetti with Italian-style chicken cutlets will be a new go-to comfort food for years to come. For this recipe, you'll need chicken breasts, fresh broccoli, spaghetti, cheddar cheese, vegetable oil, milk, butter, flour, Neufchâtel cheese, egg, Italian parsley, grated Parmesan, Italian breadcrumbs, garlic powder, onion powder, and mustard powder. Begin by steaming the broccoli and boiling the pasta. Be sure to boil the pasta just before al dente, as it will also help to thicken the cheese sauce. While the broccoli and the pasta cook, chop the parsley, cut the chicken in half lengthwise, and pound it out to make it even and thin. Then, melt the butter in a large cast iron skillet or pan. Once the butter is melted, sprinkle in the flour and whisk until fully incorporated. Slowly pour in the milk, whisking continuously to create the roux. Now whisk in the garlic, onion, and mustard powder. Whisk in the grated Parmesan, and then add the Neufchâtel cheese. Fold in the shredded cheddar cheese in batches until it's all fully melted and incorporated. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Next, add the steamed broccoli and cooked pasta to the cheesy sauce, stirring to fully coat the noodles and evenly distribute the broccoli. Time to work on the chicken. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the breadcrumbs, chopped Italian parsley, and grated Parmesan cheese. Whisk the egg, dip a chicken cutlet in the egg, then in the breadcrumb mixture, and set it aside. Just a quick reminder before we continue with the recipe, don't forget you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. Once you've breaded all the chicken cutlets, heat the oil in a cast iron skillet until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the chicken for about 5 minutes on each side or until golden and crispy with an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Once all the chicken is cooked, plate the pasta with the sliced chicken on the side and sprinkle with freshly shredded Parmesan cheese. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your broccoli cheddar spaghetti with Italian-style chicken cutlets turned out. And as usual, happy cooking.